We are in Puerto Montt, Chile today. We are doing a skillet, market to skillet, cooking with Chef Knobloch.
I will introduce me. My name is Richard Knobloch. I'm not from Chile. I was born in Germany. You have had luck to be here on Saturday because during the weeks, in the circle, there are not these vendors. What you've seen today, that's local vendors with all their products, nice people. Yeah.
What kind of cheese?
This is cow's milk cheese. Do you want to try? See. This is local Chilean olives stuffed with red pepper. I hope you have had a great time in the market. So we start with the fish stock because fish stock we need a court bouillon. That means a vegetable broth first, and then we prepare the fish on top and let it simmer 20 minutes, and ready gonna be our fish stock. And now I need some helping hands with mussels.
That makes everything good.
Yeah, lemon juice. And the most important thing is you need not only lemon juice, you need also fish broth. That's what we have here. Yeah, for ceviche. And what the secret is half of lemon juice and half of fish broth. This is a good fish broth. It jellies a little bit. Yeah. When we finished with garlic, with ginger, and the chili, we have tiger's milk. Yeah, that's a famous tiger's milk, leche de tigre. So, tiger's milk is very important. Yeah. Huge tiger, whole habanero chili, tiger baby, maybe less. Yeah, you mix all the ingredients together. So we have our tiger milk ready. Now we need fish. Tomatoes. And the only thing which is not diced is the onions. The only things not diced are the onions. Cilantro at the end. Cilantro becomes brown if it's too long in contact with the acid. The most important thing about a nice ceviche, fish should be shiny, not white, shiny.
Okay, we're back. We had a nice trip to the mercado, bought fish and some vegetables, tasted some barnacle, which was quite interesting, a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. Then we went and helped prepare a meal, helped Chef prepare a meal. It's a good day.